Hello everyone, welcome to yellowgreys. In this video, we are going to learn about the add data row activity in UiPath. Go to Activity panel and search DataTable in the Activity search bar. Drag and drop add data row from the DataTable collections. This add data row activity is used to add a new row into an existing data table. And also it has two input parameters. Let's see in practice what is array row is and how to pass value in it. Look at this build data table activity which is already designed. This data table has two rows with two columns. If you want to add one more row here, you need to pass two values with curly braces and comma note. Let's see how it works. I'm going to pass two values into array row parameter, add curly braces, then write the first array row as YellowGreys YouTube and add a comma, then add a yellowgreys youtube.com within double quotes. I have added hardcode values here. You can call your variable as well. Click on OK. Call the data table variable to which the row is to be added. Now drag and drop workbook right range activity to see the output. Here provide your workbook path, sheet name and location, then call your data table variable. Let's run or debug this process. Now the board execution is over. Just go and open your spreadsheet to see the result. Look at here, the new row added with our provided value. Let's close this. Quickly, I will show you how to pass the variable into an array row. Drag and drop assign activity and create a variable name as var1 and assign your first value. And drag and drop one more assign activity and create a variable name as var2 and assign your second value. Now go to array data row activity, remove these hardcode values. We have seen them already. Start with curly braces and call the variable 1 and comma, then add the variable 2. Okay. We are done with passing the variable in it. Let's debug the process. Now go and check the spreadsheet. Look at here, again one more new row was added. In this demo, we have seen about add data row activity with the two examples. One is how to add a new row with hardcode values. Another is how to add a new row with already declared variables. I hope you are clear with add data row activity and its usage. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support. Connect with us for more tutorials.